Hello traders, this is Aftab and you are watching Aftab Forex YouTube channel. Welcome back to the channel everyone. I hope you must be doing very well. This is a weekly Forex forecast for the upcoming week starting from Monday 22nd of January 2024 and the week will end on Friday 26th of January 2024. So tell me everyone, how is it going? I hope you must be doing very well and your trading decisions must be going on very nicely. So today, just like last week and the week before that, several setups that I discussed, today I also will be discussing some setups on the euro dollar, gold, dollar CAD, dollar index, pound dollar, pound yen, and most probably if I have time, dollar yen as well, and Aussie dollar, US dollar. Plus I will also be trying to include all of the pairs that I have received lots and lots of the comments from all of you. So without wasting further time, let's jump into the charts and let's find out where euro US dollar is going to go next and what trading opportunities it can give us in the weeks ahead. So first of all, I want to draw your attention to this whole big trend line all the way from 24th May 2021 till now so far. So from right here, and this was the first retest of the level on 10th July 2023, and since then it dropped. And after that, this whole rally, most of you will remember, on the daily time frame and on the H4 time frame, I discussed this in the live streams back then in October and November. I was live streaming. So in those live streams and in those daily forecasts videos, we have covered this whole move very nice and fantastic. It was gave good profits as well, but that's not the end because we have to protect our profits as well. It's like it doesn't mean if we make any profits we will just be taking trades. No, we have to properly protect those profits so that we can withdraw that and we can make our living out of that forex income. So we can protect 75% of our profits, and the rest of the 25% I will highly recommend we can use that 25% of income as stop losses for our new trade opportunities that the market will be giving us in the future. So this is a bit of technique. If you pay close attention to what I said, you will clearly understand what I mean to say. So euro US dollar, obviously this trend line on we see for some reason my trading view platform is a bit slow, so pardon me for that. But anyways, right here this trend line in 2021 and since then it clearly represents a downward move, but this is a weekly time frame, and obviously if a new week opens and it start to go back up, most of the weekly traders will be screwed up, and this one as well and this one as well. So now the image is clear enough, and obviously this trend line, it will be with us unless we get a clear break of structure. Now most of you guys ask me what is a break of structure. Remember, break of structure is not this, right? These this candle and this candle, if you see these three candles, okay, this was trading in the range, and this one closed a little bit above, this one also closed above, but then a pin bar, and after that we saw this drop. So this is not a breakout. A breakout is a clear break like this. If it start to come back down and try to retest the breakout point, give us several rejections from this area, then it is going to continue back up to this new resistance, and this is obviously my strategy. So that is the breakout, right? So a little bit of false breakout you can say, or we can say it was testing the trend line right here, and after that it breaks in. Now things will be more easy when I will be switching to the daily time frame, but first this weekly time frame, if we see, it clearly represents sort of a downward move, and if I overall see this whole pattern, there is still one monthly Fibonacci left, and I want to draw your attention to that. Well, it may occur, it may not occur, but obviously if the market started to slow down right here, it may represent us that okay, we can spot Fibonacci 618, which comes right here near 1.01896, and right here we have a support. So let's delete this Fibonacci, and now I will be adding a rectangle tool right here, so that I know that in the future this is going to be a very nice reversal area that I can look for potential take profit zones if I have any sell trades from there, or if the market drops here, I can try to take a buy position. But let's see the weekly, and the weekly is clearly representing a downward move. Move on to the daily time frame, and on the daily time frame I would like to study this pattern a little bit. If you see, this is a very nice fantastic trade opportunities that the market gave us. And here you can see we saw this ABCD pattern completion. This is A, this is B, this is C, which is obviously 618, and this is D, a drop, another 618, a break, and even a break of structure, even a retest, and a continue rally towards the recent previous resistance that we traded. A drop, another A, B, A, B, C, and obviously that was the D, and after that it dropped and is currently standing at a zone right here on a daily time frame. This 1.09673, it played a very nice role in placing this euro US dollar into a downward situation right here. If I show you the 618 right here, there is also a bit of false 618 retracement. So the current ABCD pattern is showing us this, but it's obviously, if you understand my strategy, you will know that I don't work like that, and if you are a member of my group, you will also know that I don't work this way. So let's have a look at this parallel channel right here, and very nice one and fantastic one. If you see, this is a lifeline for those of the traders who want to take buy opportunities right here with a tiny SL. Obviously this is going to be a fantastic sell area, 1.12565, and if I show you, or if I extend this line right here, it is exactly a very nice zone. So by then most of the traders will be thinking this is a break above, but obviously this will not be a break above, because this impulsive leg will complete all the way from right here till here, and then I will be expecting a Fibonacci 618 retracement that will come near 618 right here at 1.07561, and most probably I will be trying to take buy positions from here till 1.12565. So very fantastic and ideal situation right here, and those of you who want to understand this whole setup, I think this is going to be a very super profitable trade opportunity. Even if you are looking to the sell side of the market, still it's going to give you a lot of profit. If you are looking for a buy, still that is going to give you a good profit margin. But remember, you have to understand my strategy, and you have to understand this Fibonacci thing. Also you need to understand some of the nice candlestick patterns that can help you identify the nice trade opportunities that will be giving you huge profits. Moving on to the gold US dollar, and just like last week what I have discussed, let's delete everything and let me run a very fresh analysis right here. Right here, if we see, we have from 1600 last year we have a very nice rally, but most of you will remember that this is going to be a very simple right here. The trend started all the way from this zone, and we have got a retest, previous level broken, a continuation to the top, a retest right here, rally, a retest of the resistance, and it is supposed to go down several levels right here. So stay with me, I'm going to discuss it in detail. Right here, first of all, if we see, this is one opportunity with us. One is obviously completed, so those of you who made good profits, I will highly recommend you to just let me know in the comment section down below, and believe me, that is a very good feedback for me if you make profits from my analysis. So this is one long-term buying opportunity right here. Most of the traders and even we are holding buy positions from here. You will remember that when it was going back up, it was giving good profits. I have clearly mentioned that this is going to be a TP zone. All of you were saying no, it's going up, up, up. When it dropped and when we took buy positions from here, this sell was tradable. I didn't trade it this one, but this buy opportunity obviously 2257.624. So profits made from here, and obviously some of the members made profits from here as well. Personally, long term opportunity. Now moving on to the daily time frame, and on the daily time frame, if we see on our daily time frame, remember those profits which we have made, I will highly recommend to keep 75% with you and separate 25% for taking some fresh opportunities if you are a very good trader. So let's focus on these impulsive waves. First of all, let's find out a breakout point, and this is going to be a very nice and fantastic new story area that started from 1944. Even nice one and nice one, followed by this. Most of us will be thinking this is like this, but remember, this is a new sell story which I'm going to show you on the lower time frame on the H4, because this week there is going a lot on the gold US dollar right here. If we see, it's keep dropping, and just like euro dollar and those other pairs, I think so it's going to go further down. But let's be here with me in the analysis part of the video. Right here, if we see, this is going to be a very nice fantastic support. We have seen a break below and a break in, so next week it is highly probable it's going to go down towards 1940 in the few weeks. This 1980 is going to be a very nice support as well. If it breaks above retest, then obviously that's going to continue higher. Breaks in retest, that is going to be another trade opportunity for Mondays. Obviously those traders who want to take sell opportunities from here, still there is one ABCD pattern completion, and I just want to draw your attention to that as well. Right here, if you see, let me make this chart a little bit bigger. So this will be like a very nice opportunity, but you have to, and all of us have to wait for it, because see, 61.8% retracement, that is pointing towards 1980, approximately this level. So 1980, it is pointing down, and obviously the stop is going to be above $2060 CAD. Last week what I said and what the market did, you can compare my previous weekly forex forecast and the present one, exactly dropped from my level 1.35332, and those take profits or those trades opportunities that we took from here gave that we took buys from here, and the market gave a nice sell from there as well, just like it was predicted. So fresh opportunities right here. Let's delete this one, and if I show you, this is going to be a very nice fantastic trade opportunity. Don't miss it, and remember to understand the strategy a little bit. Then when the market will be here, we have to understand that okay, this is now an impulsive leg with us, and this is going to be a very nice pullback. And on the pullback, if we see some rejections from here, we are going to take a buy towards 1.36638. If we see a break below retest, then the market is going to continue pushing lower. This much simple forex is, but if you are an emotional trader, I'm so sure enough you will be always falling into traps that are made by people, by traders, by hedge fund, and by market makers. So try to trade safely, and I also want my audience to make more and more and more profits. Dollar index, or the Dixie, let's have a look at it. This 102, it breaks into 102 zone right here, and I want to delete everything, and I want to run a very fresh analysis, and I will try to run fresh analysis every week so that we don't miss any good tradable opportunity. Okay, on the weekly time frame, if we see, this is clearly rejecting from 102 right here, 100 level, that was a buy, and since we are holding a buy position, this is going to be a very simple one. We have a very nice Fibonacci, and Fibonacci 61.8% retracement that has not yet been tested by the price. So this is most probable that if the market drops from here, that's something else. If we get a break above, then that is going to continue pushing up towards 108. Move on to the daily, and on the daily the image will be further clear in front of us. Right here, if you see, I have to obviously find out a very nice trend, and I have to find from where is the support, where is the resistance. So this is the dollar index daily time frame, and right here this is obviously going to be a very fantastic resistance zone with all of us that represents obviously a sell opportunity, but we are going to buy from which level? We are going to buy from 61, while the take profit is going to be below 100. So let's see these trades which we took from here and here. I think some of the positions I will highly recommend to close them, because see, the market is at previous zone. See, we have got a break above, then retest and a continue high, then we also have a drop from here, then we also have some consolidation right here. So a very key level for the Dixie this is. So in the upcoming week we have to see what it's going to do next. If it drops, definitely euro dollar, gold and all of these other pairs, they are going to continue pushing higher, while the dollar index will be going down for us to give us good profits. So same as on the euro US dollar, I discussed a bullish rally, and same is the case right here. We have discussed pound US dollar, keep buying even 1.25336. You are following a strategy, and if the strategy suggests you that you need to take a buy, let me explain why I took this buy. But first let's clean this chart a little bit, because this past data I don't need it any more. Most probably I will be needing this zone right here. I don't need this one, and even I don't need this one, this one, everything I want to delete. And I will highly recommend all of you to do things like this each week. Try to refresh your trade. This was a very nice confirmation, though a retest and a continuation. Those of you who took this trade with me from here, I think this is good, and I still think this is continuing pushing higher. But this is like the volume is has disappeared. Previous years the volume was good. So these days, obviously, if I zoom in the chart a little bit and if I see what's going on the candlestick patterns side, well, this I will be titling it a clear range. Why a range? A range between this zone and let me hide this, and a range between this resistance. So unless it breaks either this one or this one, that will be fantastic one. So I want to stay a bit of neutral, or maybe I'm biased towards to the top side of the market, because see, we have several rejections from here. So let's have a look at it on the 4-hour time frame. And on the 4-hour time frame, if we see a rejection, previous trend, the market took a previous trend from here that was broken, market is going back up, and if it breaks in retest, then it's obviously continuing pushing higher. Or if it retests and if it rejects from here, that will be a good sign that the market is continue pushing down towards 1.25500. So pound US dollar, I think most of you will remember that when I was discussing this whole rally right here, most of you will know, and even I have made myself clear right here. When I was taking buys, I was placing buy positions right here. Most of you didn't agreed with me, and I was keep saying it's going up, it's going up, it's going up. Even it broke 1.25336. It was its reversal point. So it means, and it is now it ranging right here. So I think maybe this top 1.31252 has gone nowhere, just like euro US dollar did. But pound dollar, it did not completed that zone right here, and the volume has disappeared as well. So let's see what we get in the future. I'm looking this 1.28 maybe for some sell opportunities. Pound yen, let's see if there is anything I should discuss it. And just like I said, it's going to create a new high. Well, it did not create a new high, but just the buys that we took from 180.493, most of you will remember at the start of the year, 180.493, those corporate members that I am working with, uh, the meetings and the coaching that I provide them, with all of them, this trade we took it and is my WhatsApp number if you want to contact me, if you want to learn my strategy, if you want to learn new techniques to trade, if you want to generate more and more and more profits, and if you want to become a very successful person in forex trading or a very successful trader in forex trading, then I think you should contact me before you suffer from any losses. Mark my words, those traders who are trading without a mentor, they come to me and then say that we have almost lost our account or we have washed our account. So if that time comes, before that you contact a mentor, it must not be me, it must be someone else, but definitely you need someone for consultation. Now just have a look at this weekly time frame. Does it look any way bearish to any one of you? No, obviously. So if it is not looking bearish to me, I think I will be waiting for a retest on the H4. And on the H4, this retest will be, even we can trade it upon confirmation, but I'm more interested in this buy from right here, this support 182.865. luckily if we have got it, if we didn't, no problem, we have a lot of other instruments, we will apply our strategy and we will trade. So no need for any type of US oil. I gave a very fantastic trade opportunity, 2 weeks, 3 weeks actually. All of the three trades went very nicely. Three of the trades went very nicely right here. One was this, even I shared this one with you, plus a lot of the trades right here, intraday. So same is the case right here, it is ranging, but you can refer to my weekly forex forecast from last week. If you see, take profit one is 80.72. This is going to retest. At least 76 has gone nowhere. This 76, most of you will remember. Just check out my previous two weekly forex forecast videos. We took sell, we took buy, and the market gave good profit. So let's see. Let's wait a little bit for US oil, because I see it bullish, very nice bullish. But anyways, it is representing a buying opportunity on the technical side of the market. On the fundamental side, let's see what FED comes up with. Dollar yen right here. Let's see from where we pick a buy position. Most probably 142.669 was the buy call, and just have a look at it. 146.818 was the TP zone. Now right here, if you see, this is standing at a very nice zone, and this is a decision point as well. Right here we have seen a break above 147, which was a Fibonacci number, and now we have to see where this market continue pushing up. This trade we took, this trade we dragged till here. So very fantastic rally towards, obviously if it reverses it will be showing 138, but 140 it already did. So let's see, check out more. I highly recommend all of you to check out my previous forecasts, because they are full of knowledge and full of education. This is my WhatsApp number, those of you who want to contact me, and this is my strategy. Actually I will teach you this, and I will make you a master of trading with Fibonacci, and I hope you will become a very good and profitable trader. Thank you so much everyone for being here with me in this video till now so far. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. I'll see you next time. Till then, take care of yourself. Goodbye.